Less than tittle greater than Solana, SOLUSDT, shows consolidation. A breakout imminent. Less than tittle greater than 60-minute candlestick chart, moving averages. Volume analysis. The current price of SOLUSDT stands at $216.30, trading below its 200-hour moving average, which is $231.99. This indicates a bearish short-term trend. The price recently tested the 20-hour moving average near $220 but failed to sustain above it, signaling weak buying momentum. A closer analysis shows a significant drop of 6.8% from the 50-hour moving average of $232.13. Volume analysis reveals a recent increase in trading activity, with 27,821 units exchanged. This represents a 22% surge compared to the weekly average. Despite this, the failure to break above key resistance levels suggests the volume spike may be driven by selling pressure rather than fresh accumulation. Investors should monitor if the increased volume sustains at lower price levels to indicate a potential reversal. Relative Strength Index, RSI, analysis. The RSI for SOLUSDT is currently at 45.06, placing it in the neutral range. Historically, when the RSI has been at similar levels, the coin has shown sideways movement before a decisive trend emerges. For instance, in late October, RSI near 45 preceded a 12% drop within 2 weeks. A gradual decline from 52 to the current RSI suggests weakening momentum. If the RSI approaches 30, this could indicate oversold conditions and potential reversal zones. Conversely, any upward movement past 50 could signal renewed bullish momentum. This range-bound behavior hints that SOLUSDT may remain in consolidation in the near term. Stochastic Oscillator analysis. The stochastic oscillator stands at 70.63, nearing overbought levels. Historically, when SOLUSDT's stochastic reached the 70 to 75 range, price corrections of 4 to 6% occurred. For instance, in early November, the oscillator peaked at 72. Followed by a $15 price drop over 5 days. With the current reading, the coin is vulnerable to minor corrections if buying pressure does not increase. Traders should watch for stochastic readings crossing below 70, which often precedes further bearish action. Conversely, breaking above 80 could signal a short-term breakout above resistance. MACD and signal line analysis. The MACD value for SOLUSDT is -3.00. With the signal line at -3.49, indicating bearish momentum. The histogram shows consistent negative bars, suggesting that sellers remain dominant. Historical patterns indicate similar MACD levels in mid-September led to a 9% decline over 10 days. However, the narrowing gap between the MACD and the signal line suggests waning bearish momentum. If the MACD crosses above the signal line, it could indicate a trend reversal. Traders should look for confirmation of such a crossover alongside rising volumes. Bollinger Bands analysis. The price of SOLUSDT is currently positioned near the lower Bollinger Band at $212.37. This suggests oversold conditions, as prices near the lower band historically signal reduced selling pressure. However, a break below the band could result in increased volatility and further declines toward $210. Historically, SOLUSDT rebounded by 8 to 10% when prices tested the lower band. If the price breaks above the middle band at $218, it may trigger a bullish reversal. Traders should monitor if the bands widen further, signaling increased volatility. Fibonacci retracement analysis. SOLUSDT is hovering around the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level at $231.95. The inability to sustain above this level highlights a lack of bullish conviction. Historically, retracements to 61.8% have acted as critical reversal zones. The current price at $216.30 suggests SOLUSDT may retest the 100% retracement level at $212.87 if bearish sentiment continues. However, a rebound toward the 50% level at $237.85 could signal renewed buying interest. The next few trading sessions will be crucial in determining whether the coin respects these retracement levels. Daily candlestick chart and volume, 1-year analysis. Over the past year, SOLUSDT reached a peak of $262.83 in January and a low of $150 in March. The coin has experienced a 14% drop from its November high of $250. Average daily trading volumes over the past year were approximately 22,000 units, but recent trading at 27,821 units indicates heightened activity. The coin's price has failed to sustain above the 200-day moving average of $232.05, a critical resistance. This trend suggests that SOLUSDT needs a significant catalyst to regain bullish momentum. Candlestick chart and volume, 3-year analysis. Long-term charts reveal SOLUSDT's key resistance at $275, last tested in late 2022. Support levels at $180 and $200 have been tested multiple times, suggesting a strong accumulation zone. Over the past 3 years, price surges have been accompanied by average volumes exceeding 30,000 units. The current price below $220 suggests potential accumulation. If volumes consistently exceed 28,000 units while the price remains above $200, it could signal the start of a long-term uptrend. Less than comprehensive analysis greater than SOLUSDT is in a consolidation phase, trading below critical moving averages and key Fibonacci levels. Indicators like RSI and Stochastic suggest neutral to mildly bearish momentum, while the MACD and Bollinger Bands indicate potential for increased volatility. A break above $218 could trigger a short-term rally toward the 50% Fibonacci level of $237.85. Conversely, failure to hold above $212 could lead to further declines, with $200 acting as a psychological support. Long-term investors should focus on accumulation near support levels, while short-term traders must watch for volume-driven breakouts.